Chuck Richards here with Dover&Company. Hey, today I caught up with Ben Crosby here, and he was doing an install, and yet he's going to do a PM on this 9x7 for the client. Now, preventative maintenance is very important when you get a new garage door. You want to keep it running smooth year after year, and it's best to do them either in the spring or in the fall. And Ben, why don't you walk us through what everybody should do at least one time a year to keep their door running most efficiently.
All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some lube, make sure your cables are okay, make sure your spring line, your spring's not broken or anything like that. And I'm going to look at my spring and I'm going to spray that. And then second, I'm going to go to the end bearing plates on each side of your spring line. I'm going to spray those bearings. And then third, I'm going to go down and I'm going to hit every roller and hinge here. I'm going to make sure there's no cracks in the hinges, and I'm going to make sure the bearings are good in the rollers too. And then from there, I would open the door and I would spray inside the track, and then after that, I would run the door and see how it sounds.
A little preventative maintenance goes a long, long ways. So a little bit of lube, checking your cables, checking your rollers, that will keep your door running efficient all year round. So thanks for watching, and remember, Dover does it.